the musicians are going to gain insight into really practical approaches in which the results are tangible. The results happen in real time. I think this is one of the reasons I love this work the most, is because it's not just, I feel like I'm floating at the end of a Feldenkrais lesson, but I can actually play this passage better. I can get a better sound from this phrase. I've got a better sense of rhythmic structure because all of me is moving to the beat, because I got free inside, because I got better organized in the skeletal Feldenkrais way. So the workshop is Feldenkrais for performing musicians. It's both for performing musicians and for Feldenkrais practitioners. It is said that up to 50% of orchestral string players are playing with pain. It's a kind of a shocking statistic, but it shows the need to address this in a way that approaches physical organization. So one of the needs we will be addressing is addressing performance injury issues and also how to prevent performance injury issues. Another need is simple agility and expertise with your instrument. It's amazing to the point we can actually limit ourselves in our playing movements by trying too hard within. And it's not just a question of relaxing, it's a question of reorganizing the body's posture so that it moves well. And that's Feldenkrais's main point. There's going to be a set of core awareness for movement lessons which specifically relate to the needs of the performer. Lessons which link the actual function of the hand and the grasping and the movement of the fingers to the whole body. There'll be lessons linking the collarbone to the fingers, for instance. There'll be lessons linking the pelvis to the upper body to specifically address the tendency of the performer to overstabilize. The tendency is that I have to have a stable body in order to control the minute, the very sophisticated moves of the fingers and arms. So there's going to be a group of awareness through movement lessons, which we're going to do. And there'll actually be notes which will be available. And then we'll do the lesson, and then we'll immediately start working with performing musicians, seeing how this works at your instrument. I'm going to be demonstrating lessons where I work with the performer and everybody else is watching, of course, asking questions, having dialogue. But then we'll also, at a certain point, split up into groups of 3, where we might have 2 practitioners and 1 performer, for instance. The performer on the table getting a functional integration lesson, and the 2 practitioners coaching each other or observing, one doing, perhaps more performing lessons where there's actually a chance to hear the difference in the sound between before and after. These differences can be very, very striking. It's really compelling to get a sense of that change in the sound and see how quickly it can happen when the organization of the standing or the sitting is improved.
When you're skeletally well organized, as you are at the end of a good ATM or a good FI, then you can apply that freedom to a new way of producing sonority at the instrument. So there's a wonderfully practical application of this beatific experience of a Feldenkrais lesson in the end. And it's a science, and it's continually growing. It's just every lesson I teach now, I learn something about this, and it keeps getting richer.
So if any of this conversation has piqued your curiosity, then I would be very happy to work with you in September in Brussels. We're going to have a great time.